Hey, it's Jonathan with Scenic City Heating and Air, and I am in a house that has a dryer with excessively long dry times. It takes like 2 hours to dry a load of laundry. Now, if this is happening to you, there's one of two reasons. One, it could be that the heating element or the dryer is not functioning properly. The second could be because your vent is clogged. A clogged dryer vent can really extend your drying times and cost more electricity, as well as it poses a fire hazard. So we're going to take a look and see how bad this vent is. So I'm going to be vacuuming out the dryer vent line with a Rotobrush Vent Vac, which is essentially a glorified shop vac, but is very high suction. And then we will be at the same time augering the lint with this bristle brush. There's my auger head, still quite a ways away. That's something like 8 to 12 inches deep on the right side and only a few inches on the left. Alright, now we're going to inspect after cleaning.